This is Jennifer Griffin with GoFetch Marketing, and this video is for the Kentucky Organ Donor Affiliates and the Trust for Life. This is a video on how to download the data that comes through the Gravity forms. So as you can see, I'm logged into the back end of the site. This is relatively easy. All you need to do is go to Forms, click on it. Then you're looking for, once this opens up, the form that you want to download the data from. So the one that we want to download the data from currently is the Gift of Life Summit registration. All you have to do is go to, so now that you know where it is, go to Import Export. We're going to select that same name, so make sure you get the right one, Gift of Life Summit registration. And all you have to do is select the fields that you want to download. I usually select all, and then I take away stuff that I probably don't need because it makes for a lot of data. So user IP, you probably don't need this. You could use payment status because I know a lot of people paid. I would take out source URL, created by, trying to think of anything else. So once you've got all that, that's a lot of data, but you probably need it. Go back. I think we didn't start this before February 1st, but I'll just put in that. Or if you don't put any date range, it'll take all the data and export it, which you could probably do for this form also. Hit download. Now, when it exports the entries, it's put into a CSV file for Excel. So it doesn't come across it. It does need a little formatting. So there you could see the downloaded file right there. When you open it up in Excel, it's going to need some pretty good formatting, but all the data will be there. That's really all it is. It's that simple. If you have any questions, you can give us a call. Thank you.